The Boathouse, Wisconsin's #1 boat dealership. A full-service dealership with 4 convenient locations to serve you. With over 30 years of experience, The Boathouse will help you find the perfect boat to fit your family's style. Whether you're a lifelong boater or it's your first time on the water, don't let another summer pass you by. Schedule a test drive today and start making memories that will last a lifetime. Visit our newest location, the Boathouse Lake Geneva, next to Bigfoot Beach. The Boathouse. This is boating.